guys, it's me, Amy, and I want to share with you my recent purchase from Temu. Basically going to unbox it and share with you how I use some of the items. Now, I want to give you a few details. From the day I ordered it to the day that it arrived on my doorstep was about 13 days. Not bad, so about 2 weeks. And for everything I'm about to show you, the price tag was $39, and that's with tax. So is Temu safe? Yes, I've placed several orders. Everything has always arrived. I've had one thing broke, and they replaced it. So if you don't mind waiting 2 weeks, it's definitely worth checking out. All right, let's unbox this. Okay, so the first item are crystal clear wax glue gun sticks. Then I got some green velvet ribbon and ticking stripe ribbon, this bug and beetle silicone mold, then an embroidery stitch book, and European house treat boxes, this little plastic organizer, and pale pink ruffle trim, and a mini craft iron. It just plugs in like a normal iron. So first things first, I wanted to test out the craft iron because the Amazon price is quite expensive, and I thought, well, maybe it just is a piece of junk on Temu, but it worked perfectly. I'm using it to attach dried pressed flowers onto this candle for one of my DIYs, and it worked like a charm. I'm also into using wax stamps, and I needed something to organize all of my wax stamps, and this one, it just worked perfectly for that organization. And one of the wax stamps I've been wanting to do is using crystal clear wax glue gun. So I just put one of the sticks in my wax glue gun stick and pressed it on, and it worked out perfectly. It came out nice and clear, and this is a frame stamp, which you'll see used in just a second. But I wanted it to look like a glass frame. So here is that really pretty pale pink organza ribbon trim, and I just used it to kind of embellish the invitation that I was working on. Just used my glue gun. I kept using the same crystal clear glue sticks. They were just so cheap, and I only needed a little bit, but I really like the way a little bit of ruffle trim works out. It just adds a nice little touch. And so here is that wax glue, and you can just see how nice the invitation worked out. So here is a side-by-side comparison. Temu, $42. Same items on Amazon, $106. You might be able to find these items cheaper other places, but I wanted to kind of give you just a side-by-side so that you can see why. One of the reasons I buy my craft supplies from Temu.